Hello, friends. Welcome to Phonics with Teacher Chuks. Today, we're going to be learning a new sound, and as usual, we're going to be listening to a story, we're going to be singing a song, and we're just going to be having fun. Are you ready? Let's get into it. It's story time, and our story for today is Penny the Penguin. Penny the Penguin. Here we go. Once upon a time in a snowy land, there was a playful penguin named Penny. Penny loved to play with his pals and picking up pretty pebbles. One chilly morning, Penny decided to pick the perfect pebble for his collection. Along the way, he met his friend Peter the polar bear. Hi, Penny. What are you up to today? Asked Peter. Hi, Peter. I'm looking for the perfect pebble to add to my collection. Want to join me? Penny replied. Together, they found a shiny purple pebble. And Penny said, This is the prettiest pebble I've ever seen. The end. That was an interesting story. Now it's time to guess the sound of the day. So, what sound do you think Penny was trying to point us to? What sound do you think Penny made throughout the story? I'm listening. Yes! He made the P sound. Penny the penguin. Peter the polar bear. And they were looking for purple pebbles. Lots of p, p, p sound. Can we do it together? P, 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 p. Beautiful. Penny the penguin picks pebbles, pa pa pa. Penny the penguin picks pebbles, pa pa pa. Penny the penguin picks pebbles and he loves to play all day. Penny the penguin picks pebbles, pa pa pa. If you like the letter P, say papa. If you like the letter P, say papa. If you like the letter P and you know it, then show it. If you like the letter P, say papa. Oh, such beautiful singing. Well done. That was good singing. Now it's time to see words that begin with a P sound. Are you ready? Okay. How's that? What's the first word? Penguin. Penny the penguin. Penguin. And next we have pebbles. 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 And we have people. 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 And we have pizza. Pizza. And we have pencil. Pencil. And we have a pony. Pony. And then we have a pig. Pig. And a pink pig. Pink. Beautiful. Well done for saying the words with me. Can you see my letter P's? Letter P makes the p sound, and I've been busy practicing my letter P's. Okay, it's time for you to practice. Bring out your pointer and let's go. A stroke down, bounce back to the top, Form a curve that goes back in. And that's it. You've written your letter P. Now let's do it again. A stroke down, you bounce back to the top, form a curve that goes back in. Well done. Now it's time for you to pause this video. Pick up your colorful markers and a piece of paper. It's time to practice. All right, go ahead. Okay, it's time for a recap. Can you remember what sound we learned today? I'm listening. Beautiful. We learned the P sound. We learned the P sound. Can we say it together? P, 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 P. Well done. Now, can you identify the letter that makes the P sound? Are you searching? Are you searching? Have you found it? Yes, we found it. Letter P makes the P sound. Well done. We have come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching to the very, very end. Well done. Good learning, good listening. So proud of you, and I'm sure you are so proud of yourself and what you've been able to achieve in this lesson. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hate to say goodbye, but we're going to be having more lessons, so I hope to see you in the next class. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like to see evidence that you've been in my class. So please leave your likes, leave your comments, ask your questions in the comment section. I'm going to be adding a worksheet in the comment section for you to practice. So make sure you're practicing and becoming a great reader. And that's all from me. Goodbye.